Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a different unboxing video than I typically do. It's going to be the Bijoux Box unboxing. This is a monthly subscription service solely dedicated to jewelry. A lot of the subscription services out there, they're more makeup or beauty related, but they might throw in like a jewelry item here and there. This is solely dedicated to jewelry, which I think is awesome. I absolutely love the Tiffany blue box, so I wanted to share this with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see what goodies are in this box, then just keep watching. Okay, so again, this is what the box looks like. I just love this color. I think it's like a teal Tiffany blue. Really love this color, especially for this time of year. So this is going to be the June box. This is what it looks like when you open it up, and I'm in love with it. And it says Sparkle-tastic, and I don't even know that that's a word, but I love it, and they give you the definition of it. It says it's an adjective when a piece of jewelry is as sparkly as it is fantastic. So Sparkle-tastic, yes, that is great. Each month you get 3 pieces of jewelry that are high-end designer pieces, and they also throw in a bonus as well. So I figured I would just mention that. These are the 3 pieces of jewelry, and they come in these adorable pouches. Now, I really appreciate that they come in these pouches because for me, for traveling purposes, I don't like to throw all my jewelry into one bag because it can become a hot mess really quick and get all tangled up. So I like to separate my jewelry so these pouches can be used over and over again. So I really love that they come with these pouches. So the first item that I got is actually the bracelet that I'm wearing today. It's this really cool wrap white stone bracelet, and it's got the adjustable cord right there. So you can adjust it to your wrist size. So I think that's really cool. It's kind of like a Coachella vibe. It's not really something that I would typically gravitate toward or wear, but I think for like the summer months, it would be perfect if you like wore jean shorts with it or cut up jeans. I really do like it. And the card that it comes with actually goes into detail about each piece. But this bracelet is called the Catalina wrap bracelet. So I am really loving this. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this beautiful necklace, and I actually don't own any necklaces that look like this or go that low, but the detail on it is stunning. Hopefully you guys can see that if it's picking up on the camera. But this would be perfect in my opinion if you were gonna wear something really low cut. I don't like to wear anything really low cut, but what I would wear this with is a bathing suit. If you wanna like kind of, you know, dress up your bathing suit a little bit and put on a little bit of jewelry, I think that this would be perfect. And if you do wear the low cut tops, this would definitely be like a perfect necklace for that. And I forgot to mention that this is called the Catalina shell necklace. Last are these Catalina hoop earrings, but you'll notice that there's a set of studs there. This month they are throwing in this set for anybody who signs up, and I will have all that information down below. And they are the same design as the hoops, so I really like it. I'll just kind of zoom in there so you guys can kind of check the earrings out. Now, studs are my thing. The studs I will definitely use. Hoops I don't really typically wear. I'm a stud girl, but I definitely would give these a chance and try them out. But I know a lot of people wear hoops, so I definitely think these are cute, and I really like that they actually did throw in the extra set of studs. Now is the bonus item, and this is probably the most exciting thing in the box to me because I definitely needed one, but it's a jewelry holder, and it's this beautiful gold color. It says take a load off in the middle of it, if you guys can see there, but I know it doesn't look like a jewelry holder, but just wait. So basically it comes flat like this, and you're gonna want to snap. See all the snaps right there on the corners? And it's so simple. So you could even bring this traveling with you, and you could lay it flat when you're traveling, and then you could just snap it up to hold all your jewelry. So I think that's super cute, and I actually needed one of these. Instead of throwing all my jewelry on my dresser, it can go in this now. So this is the bonus item, and I'm really loving that. If you guys are interested in signing up for this box, I will have all the information listed down below. And if you guys are kind of looking for a different box to kind of switch up what you're currently getting, if you're just getting like a monthly makeup subscription box or bag, and you're kind of getting sick of it or want to do something different, I would highly recommend this one because it's cool because you get to try different pieces of jewelry that you might never even, you know, purchase or gravitate toward, but you might end up loving it. So I kind of think it's cool if you're in a rut or you're getting sick of all the makeup ones, definitely try something different. So I will have all of that listed down below. So that is it for this unboxing video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!